about to leave for work soon, and this just showed up. So before I leave, I'm going to open it up really quick, and I'll probably do the rest when I get home. Alright. Sorry for the slight cut. I had to open the box with one hand. I don't have a tripod and I really don't have time to get it out. Alright. Let's look at these. Alright. Alright, we got some Blue Comet coaches. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Alright. It's good. Alright. So I mainly bought these for that other Blue Comet that I recently had. I no longer have it. It's no longer in my possession. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to have a separate look of these off camera, and I will see you guys after work. I'll see you later. Right, it is past almost 6:30 now, and I just got home from work, and I will show you the coaches I got today. Now, I don't really do unboxings on coaches anymore, because usually I would have a rant from someone who would beg me to get some Norfolk and Western coaches, which I still haven't gotten around to getting because of I can't run my Norfolk and Western locomotive 611 on my Road Power 1370 controller, because that controller is a deadly controller for that engine. So yeah. So for now, I got these. I did buy some Blue Comet coaches for, well, the Blue Comet that I bought, that I returned, like I said earlier in this video, and I cannot thank you guys enough for all the lovely comments. You know, how nice you all are. I cannot thank you guys enough for that. But I will say this, I was going to keep it a surprise, but I decided not to. I did find, well, I actually bought another one. I did buy another one. Go Bernard's Train to help me out with this one. I just bought it last night, and it just shipped this morning, and ignore the sound outside if you can hear it. My generator is on. We had a very bad storm last night, and pretty much half of the town's power is out. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. Anyway, let's unbox these one by one. Let's start with this one. I actually did had to unbox these off camera, just to have a better look at them. This is what is this, the Combine car? Just an ordinary 1920s heavyweight coach. And there it is, there's one of them, the Blue Comet. Alright, now let's look at this one. Two of them are the same. Didn't notice that until Bernard's Trains pointed it out. It's two dining cars in this one, and he's like, you got two of them, and I said, no, shut up. But yeah, alright, now let's see this one. Like I said, I did have them out of the box already off camera just before I left for work. But yeah, here's the other one. And after a small cleanup, we'll get this one out. Nope, it's not in shot. This is a Combine. This one's a Combine. Looks similar to the RPO car, but it's a Combine. And there's that. I'll clean this one up too. And last but not least, this one. Let's get this one out. It is one of the hardest coaches to find, the observation car for the Blue Comet. That's right. I did hear this coach is pretty hard to find, and it is true, but I did hear that the baggage car is the most hardest to find ever on the Blue Comet. So yeah. There is all 5 coaches right there. Alright, let's get on track and pick what engine to pull them. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so since I don't have a Blue Comet at the moment, it is coming in. Oh wow. These coaches roll beautifully. Alright. But yeah, it is coming in, so I will have to wait a few days. And once it's here, I will unbox it. So yeah. I'm kind of glad I got 5 coaches. I was actually aiming for 5 anyway. So, and I'm glad I got these 5 in a lot. So yeah. Alright. Alright. And there's the whole consist. Nice. Alright, now let's give these coaches a little test run. But the problem is, like I said, I do not have the Central New Jersey Pacific to hold this train at the moment. So now the $1 million question is, what engine should I use to pull it? I do have a few Rivarossi engines. Yeah, I don't have very many Rivarossi stuff, but I do have a few. But I have chosen engine for this train, and yeah, I know it's not the appropriate era, I do understand that, but you have to bear with me. And if it bothers you, I do recommend that you click off now. And here comes the engine. Cause why not, hey? But like I said, I do have the New Jersey Central New Jersey Heavy Pacific coming in through the mail to pull the Blue Comet. It'll just take a few days to get here, so please bear with me, guys. And for now, we'll just let the Dreyfus pull them for now. Like I said, I know it's not the appropriate era. I'm sorry it bothers you, but hey, you know, let's just have fun in this hobby, eh? Alright, let's take it away. They roll really smoothly. I really like them. I really do. So that was the Blue Comet coaches hauled by the Dreyfus Hudson. I am sorry if I bothered you guys for letting that engine pull these coaches, but I do have the actual Blue Comet, another one coming in through the mail. I do promise that. And this one does look like it's way better than the last one. It's an AHM Blue Comet, like these coaches are. But yeah, I can say that. Yeah. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this slight unboxing. Hopefully this will make up for the previous Blue Comet that I looked at. That one's being sent back to its owner now, to the previous owner now. And I can't wait to get my hands on the other one that I bought. Thank you, Gobernopoulos Trains, for helping me find the engine once again. These coaches I actually found myself, luckily. But the Blue Comet locomotives is what he helped me look for. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.